Hi, in this video today I going to show you how to create the Sitecore package, and after that how to install it on your PC or another PC. Okay, so for example, when you are working in a team or a project, so when you when you finish doing the content population on your PC and you want to deliver that content to your colleagues or also your client, to save the time for content population on the PC. So you will do the package first for the content on the PC, and after that, that package in a zip file will be delivered to the colleagues or the client. So once the colleagues and the client receive that package, they use it to install it on the PC for for copy the content from yourself to the PC. And in this video today, I will show guide you how to do it. Okay, let's get started now. Here is our Sitecore backend page. Okay, so I will talk about the example for you to understand the situation for in this tutorial today. Okay, so for example, you are deploying the learning website on multiple servers. So basically, when you want to enter the data for and want it deploy on the multiple server, you have to enter the data by manually on all of the server. So for example, when you creating the gene testing page here on this local PC, and if you want this page displaying on another server, so you have to create the same thing and enter the content for it on another PC. Okay, so but it will take the time if you have a lot of things have to do on those server. Okay, so however, the Sitecore is fully support for this feature, and it will make you it will save a lot of time for you. Okay, so it will help you to package the new chain from this server, and after that you are able to install the chain on another PC server. So it will copy the new chain from this server to another one very quickly. Okay, so now I will show you how to do it. Okay, firstly you click on this one and go to the desktop under the control panel. Click on the start button. You can see here on the menu we have the development tool here. We click on the package designer. Okay, so you can also enter the name for package. Package 1 auto 1.0. You can also enter another information. You click on the items statically. You select your whole chain testing page. Click on add with sub item. Click next. Leave it by default. Static item should have been added successfully. Okay, you could click on the generate zip. You can also change the name for package name. Click on the next. Okay, you can also click on the download package here. After that, it will save to the local PC under the download folder here by default. Okay. Okay, because for now I don't have multiple server setup thing here, so I will use this one to demo for you. Okay, so now I will go ahead to delete this chain testing page. And now I have to publish the item to make it affect to the server. Okay, now try to access the chain testing page again, and you will see the document not found. That means for now the chain testing page already removed out of the system. Okay, now you come back to the main and go to the desktop. You click on the development tool and click on the installation widgets here. You click on the choose package, or you are also able to upload the package from the local PC to this server. You pick up the package you want to be installed. Because currently you are using the same server to demonstration, so it will have the package here. But when you want to install a package from another server, so you don't have the package under the choose package here. You have to click on the upload button to upload the package. So now I will do this way. Download, next, override existing filter file. You click on the next button, install button. After installation is done, you click on the restart Sitecore client and also click on the restart Sitecore server. But I think that leave for default. Click on the close button. Now you come back to the content editor here. You can see for now the chain testing already back because you just restore the content from the package from another PC to this one, and go back to the chain testing page and try to refresh it. Yes, you can see here it back already. Okay, so I think that's enough for today. And after you finish this course for today, you know how to create a package from the Sitecore, uh, and you will use that package to deliver it and install it on multiple servers. It will save the time for you for content inputting. Okay, so I hope that video will be helpful for you and happy coding. Bye bye.